show. Whenever you're trying to unscrew your center diff, or basically any screw for that matter, on your RC, when it's plastic, you pretty much are kind of, I don't want to say 100% safe, but 9 times out of 10 you're pretty much safe to go ahead and unscrew it. But when it comes to anything that is metal like this, you want to actually apply some heat to it in order so that you won't strip your screw. I don't know if you can see that there. It's not stripped because I had used my torch, but you can still see a little bit from where I used my torch. But you just want to apply some heat to it. So that Loctite will stick and you will strip your screw. That should be enough heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply pressure straight down and turn. And it's still kind of hard to get out, but it's a lot easier when you heat it up. And by applying your pressure straight down into it and not at an angle, you'll have less likely of a chance of stripping your screw. As you can see, that thread locker is like very caked up on both of those screws. And see these over here, I didn't even apply no heat to it. Look how easy it's coming out. And that is because this is the plastic part of the center diff mount. And if you see that, it's just like a hot knife and butter, just without the heat. So it's coming straight out. But when it comes to these screws though, these 3 screws here, I'm not even gonna do this one yet because I gotta apply heat to it. But make sure that you apply heat to any metal on metal screws before unscrewing, so you can preserve your screws. That should be enough. That's tight. Oh, that was good. And it's gonna start falling because I already got the other ones all loose. There we go. And I'm gonna touch that because it still should be hot. But there you go. When it's metal on metal, apply the heat. And I got this from Home Depot. Where's it? There we go. And you just buy the butane, like when you fill up any kind of like torch lighter or any lighter or whatnot that has butane, just put it right there in the bottom. And this actually is a soldering iron, believe it or not. And there's other attachments on here that go with it. I mean, and then you have your you could push that to hold it, and this is your like 1, 2, 3 levels of intense flame. Actually, I think it goes up to 4, and you just have to hit the safety and push down. There you go. I also use this when I'm soldering with my soldering iron, even though that this is a soldering iron, but I just rather use it as a torch than a soldering iron.